It's a wake-up call we can't afford to ignore. Over 40 million Americans are at risk for developing a sleep disorder, and what's more, nearly 85% of those who suffer from one may not even be diagnosed. Our next guest's organization, LifeWatch, is on a mission to increase awareness of sleep disorders and improve the care, health, and quality of life for people affected by them. Physicians, patients, and third-party payers alike have embraced the company's NightWatch services, which provide home testing at a fraction of the cost of sleep laboratories. Here to tell us more about it is Roger Richardson, Executive Vice President of LifeWatch Corporation. Roger, welcome.
Hello, it's my pleasure to be with you today.
Roger, first of all, tell us more about obstructive sleep apnea, or OSA. What is it, and who's at risk for developing it?
Simply put, according to the American Academy of Sleep Medicine, obstructive sleep apnea occurs when the upper airway repeatedly collapses during sleep, causing cessation of breathing or inadequate breathing that causes minimum airflow that leads to sleep fragmentation. We all need three things to live a healthy life. We need food, we need water, and we need restful and restorative sleep. When one of these critical elements is missing, our health is at risk. OSA is a serious health risk that causes excessive daytime sleepiness, headaches, decreased concentration, memory loss, irritability, and decreased libido. Anyone can have OSA, but commonly it's linked to people with elevated body mass index from being overweight, people with hypertension, and heart disease.
Now, what might happen if OSA is left untreated?
Besides the common side effects I mentioned earlier, OSA, when left undiagnosed, is an independent risk factor that can cause individuals to develop high blood pressure that is non-controllable, individuals to have a heart attack or stroke, and it can lead to uncontrolled type 2 diabetes. Scientific studies have proven that having OSA increases the risk of stroke by a factor of 2, having a heart attack or cardiovascular event by a factor of 5, and it increases the risk of serious auto accidents.
Now, tell us more about your NightWatch services. How are you helping to build awareness for OSA?
Again, looking to the medical experts, we embrace the American Association of Sleep Medicine's position that OSA is a common chronic disorder that often requires lifelong care. We educate the patient and the physician on our screening process to identify OSA. We follow that with home sleep testing, and we educate the patient on their diagnosis and the disease condition, and we support the patient through behavioral modification and coordinating of their therapy when required.
Well, Roger, it's important work you're doing. Thanks so much for talking with us today.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me.
For more information on the NightWatch program, visit LifeWatch on the web at www.lifewatch.com.